Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates.
Hello friends, in this video I am going to unbox and review Intex Turbo SPA semi-automatic washer. Let's open the box. Actually I wanted to buy Onida, but unfortunately seller does not ship the product to my location, so I had to go for Intex. So here it is. Let's remove the thermocol. Looks good. I think it would be better if I take off the box completely. Now you can see the washer perfectly. Color combination is good. I really like it. Let me show you from all of the sides so that you can see the washer from all angles. Here is the power cord and the length is quite good. This is the drain hose. It can be hung with the body. It is a pretty good feature. It's time to take a look inside. The lid just sits over it. There is no mechanism to stick it over the machine. It comes with the inlet pipe. The propeller has 3 blades. That is the overflow outlet. Let me take out the inlet pipe and use a manual. The pipe length is too small and it won't fit with normal faucet. You have to use an angular valve to use it, so I will have to buy a separate one. Inside space is big enough for a small family laundries. Specs: runs on 220 volts, motor power rating is 360 watt, so it will not consume much power like heavy washing machines. Maximum water pressure is 0.6 megapascal. It has 2 wash selector, gentle for sarees, t-shirt and for other soft cloths. Use normal mode for jeans, bed sheets, and you can set the timer up to 15 minutes. I am going to use the machine for the first time. Don't mind the small pipe right now, I don't have any better options. First you have to soak the clothes completely in water. Then use detergent according to cloths and wash load, and after that rinse it for 10 minutes. Let's see how does it work. The motor rotates in clockwise direction for 5 seconds and then in anti-clockwise direction for another 5 seconds, and it will keep rotating like this until the timer stops. Now review. Considering the price point, I would say this is not a bad product. It costs me 4,500 rupees and I got it in a lightning deal from Amazon. Now pros. It has 2 years of warranty, consumes less power, 360 watt, wash capacity up to 7.5 kg, does not require installation, and top loading washing machine. Cons. I am not satisfied with the body plastic quality. Body is not strong enough to withstand heavy load up to 7.5 kg. Inlet hose pipe is small and does not fit with normal faucet. Have some bad reviews in Amazon about its durability and service. You might want to consider that. And Onida provides 7 years warranty on motor, so it is a better option at this price point. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.